If you're planning to become a licensed electrician in Ohio in 2026, this video breaks down exactly what you need to know before you apply. And here's the big thing to understand up front. Ohio does not issue a statewide journeyman or master electrician license. The only statewide electrical license is the Ohio Electrical Contractor License, and that license applies to commercial electrical work. In this video, we'll explain what Ohio does, license at the state level, how local licensing may work, who needs the contractor license, and what to expect from the application and exam process. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a discount code you can use on our exam prep. Electrical contractor license in Ohio is handled by the Ohio Construction Industry Licensing Board, also known as the OCILB, which operates under the Ohio Department of Commerce. The OCILB licenses electrical contractors for commercial and industrial electrical work. Residential electrical work, on the other hand, is generally handled at the local level, so requirements can vary depending on the city or jurisdiction where you plan to work. One detail that can be confusing is the terminology. Ohio does not have a separate statewide journeyman electrician license, but the board may refer to the electrical contractor license as a master license. So when you see that term, understand that it is still referring to the state electrical contractor license, not a separate journeyman or master track like some other states use. And working without the proper license can get expensive. Unlicensed commercial electrical work in Ohio can result in fines of up to $1,000 per day per violation. So before you take on commercial or industrial electrical work, make sure you're licensed through the OCILB and comply with Ohio's requirements. Ohio's electrical contractor exam is based on the 2020 National Electrical Code, along with Ohio's Building Code and Residential Code. To get licensed, you'll need to pass 2 PSI exams, the electrical trade exam and the business and law exam. Both exams are open book, which means you're allowed to bring in approved references into the testing room. You can highlight and tab your books before exam day, but you cannot write in your reference books during the test. So make sure your code book and reference materials are organized ahead of time. The better you know where to find information quickly, the better prepared you'll be for both the trade and business law portions. To qualify for the Ohio Electrical Contractor License, you'll need to meet several requirements before you can sit for the exam. First, you must be at least 18 years old and a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident. You'll also need 5 years of electrical trade experience totaling at least 10,000 hours. There is another path for professional engineers. If you're a registered professional engineer, you may qualify with 3 years of business experience instead. Ohio also requires proof of at least $500,000 in liability insurance. After your application is approved, you'll need to complete both a state BCI background check and a federal FBI background check. So before applying, make sure your experience, insurance, and background check steps line up with the OCILB requirements. To apply for the Ohio Electrical Contractor License, you'll start by mailing your application. Your application should include $25 application fee and proof of your electrical work experience. Once your application is reviewed and approved, you'll complete both required background checks. After that, you'll schedule your exams through the PSI. Ohio requires you to pass the 2 exams. You'll need to score of at least 70% on both exams to pass. Once you pass, you'll send your exam results back to the board along with the $25 licensing fee and proof of your required liability insurance. After everything is submitted and accepted, the OCILB will issue your Ohio Electrical Contractor License. Since Ohio does not issue a statewide journeyman electrician license, local rules can vary by city. Major cities like Columbus, Cleveland, Cincinnati, Toledo, Middletown, and Hamilton each have their own local programs or requirements. But here's the important distinction. Only Middletown and Hamilton actually require a personal journeyman license to perform general electrical work. In many other areas, electricians can work under a licensed electrical contractor while gaining experience without ever holding a separate personal journeyman license. That's why Ohio is different from states that have a clear statewide apprentice journeyman master path. If your goal is a state electrical contractor license, your main focus is building the required experience under the proper supervision and making sure your state OCILB's contractor license requirements. For the Ohio Electrical Contractor License, you'll take 2 exams through PSI. The first, the electrical trade exam, which covers the National Electrical Code, electrical installation, and trade-specific knowledge. The second is the business and law exam, which covers the Ohio contracting rules, business practices, and license requirements. Both exams are open book, and each exam costs $69. You'll need to score at least 70% on each exam to pass. For the electrical trade exam, you make sure you bring your own 2020 National Electrical Code book. You're allowed to highlight and tab your reference materials before exam day, but once you're in the testing room, you cannot write in the books during the exam. So the key is to prepare your references ahead of time. Know where everything is located and practice moving quickly through the code book before test day. Ohio electrical contractor licenses renew every year and the annual renewal fee is $60. Continuing education is tracked on a 3-year code cycle. Over that cycle, you'll need to complete 24 total hours of continuing education, which averages about 8 hours per year. At least half of those hours must be code specific, so make sure your CE includes the required code training. If your license lapses, you'll owe the regular renewal fee plus a $30 late fee. If you're already licensed in another state, Ohio may offer a faster path through reciprocity. Ohio maintains reciprocity agreements with 9 states, which are shown here on the screen. But it's important to understand what reciprocity actually does. In most cases, reciprocity only waives the electrical trade exam. You'll need to apply through the OCILB and pass the business and law exam before receiving your Ohio electrical contractor license. Ohio and Tennessee also have a specific 2-way waiver agreement for both electrical and HVAC licensing. So let's do a recap. To qualify for the Ohio electrical contractor license, you must be at least 18 years old and have 5 years of experience totaling at least 10,000 hours. Or if you're a registered professional engineer, you may qualify with 3 years of business experience instead. You'll take the PSI exams, the electrical and the business and law exam. You need 70% to pass. You'll need the $500,000 liability insurance and the $25 licensing fee. And you're going to need that renewal every year for CE. So when you're preparing for the Ohio electrical contractor exam, focus your study time on NEC topics that show up most often. This is going to include load calculations, grounding and bonding, conductor sizing, overcurrent protection, wiring methods, and code navigation. And that brings me to the discount I promised earlier. If you're preparing for the Ohio electrical contractor exam or the journeyman or master portions in the local jurisdictions, use code 2026OH at checkout on oneexamprep.com to get 15% off any Ohio electrical contractor exam prep package. Again, that's code is 2026OH for 15% off. Make sure you're studying Ohio-specific material, practicing with open book exam questions, and giving yourself the best chance to pass both exams the first time. If you're preparing for the Ohio electrical contractor exam, check the links below. At One Exam Prep, we offer Ohio State-specific exam prep built around the 2020 National Electrical Code or any future codes, and the Ohio Business and Law content, with practice exams designed to help you prepare for both sections and test. Use code 2026OH at checkout on oneexamprep.com to get the 15% off. Subscribe to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel for more state-by-state licensing breakdowns, exam prep tips, and contractor licensing updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll